In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Has there not come upon man a period of time when he was not a thing even mentioned? Indeed, we created man from a sperm drop mixture, that we may try him, and we made him hearing and seeing. Indeed, we guided him to the way, be he grateful or be he ungrateful. Indeed, we have prepared for the disbelievers chains and shackles and a blaze. Indeed, the righteous will drink from a cup of wine whose mixture is of kafur, a spring of which the righteous servants of Allah will drink. They will make it gush forth in force and abundance. They are those who fulfill their vows and fear a day whose evil will be widespread. And they give food in spite of love for it to the needy, the orphan, and the captive, saying, "We feed you only for the countenance of Allah. We wish not from you reward or gratitude. Indeed, we fear from our Lord a day austere and distressful." So Allah will protect them from the evil of that day and give them radiance and happiness, and will reward them for what they patiently endured with a garden in paradise and silk garments. They will be reclining therein on adorned couches. They will not see therein any burning sun or freezing cold. And near above them are its shades, and its fruit to be picked will be lowered in compliance. And there will be circulated among them vessels of silver, and cups having been created clear as glass. Clear glasses made from silver, of which they have determined the measure. And they will be given to drink a cup of wine whose mixture is of ginger, from a fountain within paradise named Salsabil. There will circulate among them young boys made eternal. When you see them, you would think them as beautiful as scattered pearls. And when you look there in paradise, you will see pleasure and great dominion. Upon the inhabitants will be green garments of fine silk and brocade, and they will be adorned with bracelets of silver, and their Lord will give them a purifying drink. And it will be said, "Indeed, this is for you a reward, and your effort has been appreciated." Indeed, it is we who have sent down to you, O Muhammad, the Quran progressively. So be patient for the decision of your Lord, and do not obey from among them a sinner or ungrateful disbeliever. And mention the name of your Lord in prayer, morning and evening. And during the night prostrate to Him, and exalt Him a long part of the night. Indeed, these disbelievers love the immediate, and leave behind them a grave day. We have created them and strengthened their forms, and when we will, we can change their likenesses with complete alteration. Indeed, this is a reminder, so he who wills may take to his Lord a way. And you do not will except that Allah wills. Indeed, Allah is ever knowing and wise. He admits whom He wills into His mercy, but the wrongdoers, He has prepared for them a painful punishment.
Sadaqallahul Azim.